So, ayan guys, for today's video, make sure na updated yung messenger na gagamitin natin. So, open na natin yung ating messenger. And dito guys, mamili kayo ng isang conversation na gusto nyong pagsendan ng inyong exact location as of now. So, for example, is itong conversation na to, dito kayo send yung location ko ngayon. So, ang gagawin nyo lang guys, pagka-open, itap nyo lang yung plus button na nandito sa my left corner. And ayan guys, may mga options dito na lalabas. So, ang itatap nyo is location. So, kung nakikita nyo yun guys, na-detect yung ating current location. So, make sure na naka-open yung inyong location services guys para ma-detect yung location nyo ngayon. Then, kapag okay na guys, and kita nyo na nasa tamang location, yung blue na circle, itap na natin yung send current location. Ayan guys, nag-send na yung ating current location. So, once na na-receive na nila yan guys, at in-open, automatic ma-view nila kung nasan yung ating exact location. So, dapat din guys, naka-turn on yung kanilang location services para makita nila yung ating location. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple.